Hi guys, it's Usual Labs, my name is Roll, and today once again we're gonna talk about the trend lines, not exactly about the trends, but about the trend lines and how you can really easy earn on them. But before this video starts, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the like button. Let's go. This is so simple. So at the first you just draw yourself a trend line and you are looking what is going on with it. So one is resistance, one is support, and we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bounces in here, and on the 6th bounce we see these huge green candles. So we seen that this is we got the outbreak, the break of this line, and this is not the false break, this is like the true break, the real one break. And when do we see it? We just go and make ourselves a position right into the direction of this movement, and we can see like even right now we get a 10%, we get 12%, 7, 5%, like around that. So this is still pretty a lot, especially if you're trading with the derivatives. So this is like really simple strategy. You just see this line, you see it's breaking, and it's like a true breaking, not a false breaking, nothing's going down, it just breaks, you just go into position, you get yourself some money. Of course, don't forget that market will always try to trick you. So if you, like, let's say you open your position in here, you see some red candle in here that show you this is called the falling star, I believe, and it shows you like we will start fall really soon. Just don't look at it, because you just have broken a really strong resistance, and it means that the price will go for the next, like, I believe minimum 4%, maximum like around 10, 15, and nothing is going to happen, nothing bad is going to happen with your position. I can show you the numerous number of the examples, and if you are just trading with these trend lines, nothing more, you don't imagine something, you're not like overlooking something, overthinking something, you're patient, you're not greedy, believe me, soon you will get yourself a really good money. And this is like so simple, just don't need even to overthink something or overdo something. Again, we have this trend line in here, we have like bouncing in here from 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, we are breaking it and we are going up. Let's say like the worst position, even from here we got around 5% if we are talking about the top. Again, nothing really difficult, we can even draw lines like that. I don't believe this is really true thing, but still we can see like we're drawing, this is like really looking down line in here, we are breaking it again, and this is the rule of the 3 candles that I was talking with you before. We can see even from the worst position we still can get ourselves 6%, and for someone this is like $600, for someone 300, for someone like even 1,000 or more. And again, here we can draw this trend line as well. We can see a false breakup as well. We went back in, and only when we see these really huge red candles like somewhere in here, we can say, all right, we have a breakup, this is a true breakup, let's go into the position. Again, let's talk about like the worst place that we can get into position, and we can get ourselves a really easy 12%. Again, nothing special, just trend lines. That's pretty much it, guys. Nothing difficult, just draw yourself a trend lines, just try to not overthink yourself, not to be greedy, and just try to trade with them, and soon you will see a really good results on your bank account. Hope you like this video, see you guys later.